Wanna know his secret?
Suggesting creases are passé for automotive design, Mercedes showed off ideas for its future styling directions this week at a forum in Germany, including previews of upcoming sports cars and sedans. We see images of a curvy sports car study, the silver car, with huge wheel arches flared out almost like pontoons. There's also what appears to be a rear-engine hypercar, white car. We've been reading reports about it for months. Additionally, there's a red sporty saloon, as Mercedes calls it, also among the photos. It features prominent rounded fenders and a bold horizontal grille. Mercedes also previewed its upcoming A-Class, in what it calls the aesthetics of sculpture, which looks like a car covered in a red sheet. Though Mercedes says this is its next step to a purer design, creases and strong lines are still evident on the sides.